weather is perfectly balmy, and more importantly, it makes all of us lazy, lethargic, and in that most chilled out mode. When in such a weather, all you need to do is indulge in some Decadent muffins. Non-dairy, non-gluten, and non-refined sugar. Can we ask for anything more? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating this. This recipe truly is so easy that it doesn't even warrant a recipe creation, but I just wanted to show you how you can play around with this. So into a bowl goes in 6 whole eggs, and we're just going to lightly whisk this up without too much of drama or fanfare. Into this goes a teaspoon of cinnamon, and you want that warm spice to help you in this perfect fall weather. Along with that goes the juice of 1 lime. We're just going to whisk all this lightly up together, allowing the cinnamon to permeate the eggs. Perfect scents in my kitchen. Into this goes maple syrup, and I've taken nearly 4 tablespoons of the sheer liquid gold. Drop it in and whisk it in. Now you can avoid the maple syrup altogether, but I somehow feel it gives that lovely golden hue to this creation. A liquid medium going in, that's coconut milk, and nearly half cup of it. You can replace this with milk if dairy suits you fine, or go right ahead, use some oat milk or even almond milk to this indulgence. Well emulsified and giving off that dark, perfect fall sense. We're going to keep this on the side and take another bowl to mix the dry ingredients. When I say dry ingredients, all I have is almond meal flour, nearly 4 cups, 1 teaspoon of baking soda going in, along with a dash of some sea salt. A fine sprinkle on top. We're going to toss all this together and merge everything together. Well mixed and suspended, give it a stir or two for at least a minute to a minute and a half so that you're sure that the salt, the baking soda and the almond meal is well incorporated into each other. Now is the time to take that heavily scented wet ingredients of egg, coconut tea emulsion and pour it into the dry. Just mix it all well together. Spoon dollops of this into a already greased muffin mold, and I've greased it with some cold pressed coconut oil just to add to that flavor. We're going to put these in and get it ready to bake. Preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for exactly 15 minutes till we are just about done. Now these muffins may not look the prettiest, but the taste, sheer indulgence in every bite. These muffins are the perfect add-on yet indulgence to a hot cup of coffee in this beautiful weather. Pair it either by itself or go right ahead and enjoy it with a lovely scoop of some blackberry, no sugar jam. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me, a sheer decadence that can be paired for a tea time snack or a morning breakfast on the go. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, always.